everybody. Cynthia from Thursday. How are you? You're going to really enjoy this next live I'm doing next week. I'm doing a live Overstock sale. August 24th to the 29th. That's Monday to Saturday. I'm just trying to test my lighting. See where things are going. There's going to be a lot of blessed things going on. I've got a lot of beautiful products for you. Handmade artisan soaps. Things that help you with pain, salving, relief. So I'm just trying to set things up here so that I can look good under the lights. There we go. A little bit more light. I got more lights coming too. Let's see how bright that is. Could be a little bit brighter, huh? Let me check the lighting here. That's bright. I think it's daylight, so maybe it's oh, it has to be higher. Okay, we'll put it higher. Okay, I'm just setting up for next week. Yeah, next week we're going to have a lot of good things. Working on some new fall things for Third Day Soaps Garden. So this is just a short. I'm just trying to set it up to like this is where I keep all my Overstock right here. If you see in all these little drawers here, handmade soaps and lotions. And on this board right here, it's going to tell you what's going to be Overstock. I'm going to do some skincare demonstration, a few giveaways. You're going to enjoy this. There's a lot of things that can bless you here to make your skin healthy. And I'm going to be here to help you out. I'm going to show you some of the herbs that we grow. There's some special things in these boxes here. Take a look here. See some special things. See all those little products in there? And here, we've got a nice little bug spray. That'll be on special. So these are my Overstock products that are coming in these drawers here. So you come back next week from the 24th to the 29th. I'm going to be going live. So I just wanted to show you all that. So have a really good day. Testing 1, 2, 3. What I'm doing is testing the lighting. And also if I'll be able to, my calendar's over there, I'll be able to show you dates and things we're going to be doing things. You're going to enjoy it here. It's going to be one of those things where you'll be able to shop till you drop. Really good prices. Everything in these boxes must go because I'm making room for fall items. We have lots of mature skincare coming up. We have some pain salves, some relaxation tincture drops you could have. Of course, we have the deep muscle salves for sore joints and muscles. We have turmeric and honey cleansing pads to help you with your hyperpigmentation. A lot of wonderful items. Our new Korean and Asian skincare line I'm going to be introducing you to. So come back next week. And I'll be going live, and you'll be able to purchase some of these things at Third Day Soaps Garden. So hope to see you then. Okay, bye-bye. If I can get out of this. Like I said, this was a test. Just a test. Just a test.